Hello, my name's Glenn Standish and I'm the Director of Studies at International House Toruń here in Poland. And I'm really looking forward to presenting at the Skyteach Festival in October this year. And I'm also really looking forward to returning to Minsk, which will be my second visit to this beautiful city. So my session is entitled CPD in the Digital Society. And CPD, Continuous Professional Development, is something which plays a very important part in our English teaching careers. And I will be showing you different ways on how to really progress and develop as a teacher, not just face-to-face, but especially online, especially using some of our International House online courses, amongst other things as well. So I really look forward to seeing you and welcoming you to my talk in October. Bye for now.